You know, it's kind of weird to think that you don't have to look rich to actually be rich. A lot of folks associate wealth with having expensive and luxurious things, but true wealth isn't about that. It's about living simply and humbly. The folks who truly get rich understand this. When I talk about looking poor, I don't mean you have to dress shabbily or drive an old car. I mean it's important to live without drawing attention to the money you have. That could mean wearing basic clothes and driving a regular car. In this video, I'm going to explain why it's so important to adopt a simple appearance, and reasons 5 and 6 are what I consider to be the most important. Comment if you agree with me after watching the video. Let's dive in. Reason 1. Looking rich is the fastest way to become poor. Believing that being rich means flaunting wealth overtly is actually the fastest path to poverty. No matter how much you earn, if you spend all your money, eventually, you'll have nothing left. Even if you make $100,000 a month and spend the same amount, you're just one unexpected expense away from being poor. Maintaining an appearance of wealth isn't sustainable in the long run, hence the importance of appearing simple, as this approach is sustainable throughout your life. When you live modestly and build your wealth, you'll always be prepared for life's challenges. When you appear poor, you're unlikely to become poor. Reason 2. Looking rich overloads you with liabilities. One of the problems with trying to look rich is that it often leads you to buy things that cost a lot of money in the long run and don't bring any money back to you. We call these things liabilities. When you try to look rich, these liabilities start to weigh on your wallet and make it hard to save money. For example, if you want to look rich and buy expensive clothes on credit card, finance a fancy car and a big house with a long loan, all of these become liabilities that you need to pay regularly. That means a portion of the money you earn goes toward paying for these things. And if something unexpected happens, like losing your job or a medical emergency, it can be tough to keep paying, and you might even lose the car and the house. But if you choose to live simply and limit your liabilities, you'll have more money to invest in assets that make your money grow, like buying bonds or investing in real estate and stocks. So while looking rich can make you accumulate debts, looking simple can make you get richer and closer to being financially independent. Reason 3. True wealth doesn't need to be proven. Many people who try to appear wealthy are often in debt, financing an extravagant lifestyle through home loans, cars, and credit cards. By displaying an image of wealth, they are seeking social validation, associating wealth with material goods and status. However, the truly wealthy don't feel the need to prove their wealth to others. When you're truly wealthy, you don't worry about impressing others, as you have freedom, security, and plenty of options in your life. Reason 4. Looking rich makes people see you differently. Another problem with trying to look rich is that when you show that you have money, people start treating you differently. Your friends and family might think they're entitled to ask for your help. You might attract fake company, and some people might try to take advantage of you in various ways, even legally or violently. Showing that you have money can make you a target for others' interest and greed. That's why it's important to understand the importance of looking simple, because it's better if people don't know how much money you have. When you look simple, you're seen as an ordinary person, interactions are more genuine, and nobody is approaching you just for your money. Reason 5. Getting rich is a collection of many small decisions. When we're striving to become wealthy, it's common to be tempted to flaunt our possessions and show off. However, true wealth isn't just about appearances, but rather the choices we make every day to build a solid and prosperous financial future. A powerful way to achieve this stability is by accumulating assets that can generate income over time, eventually becoming our primary source of revenue. Instead of worrying about looking rich, we should focus our efforts on building a strong foundation of wealth that will accompany us throughout life. This means making smart financial choices, from saving regularly to investing in assets that generate passive income. Instead of spending on luxury items, we can opt for basic and long-lasting things. Instead of dining at expensive restaurants, we can enjoy delicious meals at more affordable places or cook at home. These choices not only avoid debt, but also free up resources for investments. managing your income and expenses is crucial. By making conscious choices, we're not only saving money in the short term, but also investing in our financial future. Each decision to live within our means brings us closer to true financial independence. Reason 6. True wealth lies in the quality of human relationships. The most important of all reasons is to recognize that true wealth lies in the quality of the human relationships we cultivate throughout life. More than any amount of money or material possessions, it's the emotional bonds, shared moments, and mutual support that truly enrich our existence. Investing time and energy into meaningful relationships with friends, family, and community is life's true treasure. These connections provide us with emotional support, love, companionship, and a sense of belonging that no amount of money can buy. Therefore, in seeking true wealth, we must prioritize nurturing and strengthening our relationships, as they are what truly give meaning and value to our journey in this world. Reason 7. Looking rich keeps you in survival mode. As I mentioned earlier, trying to look rich often leads you to buy things that cost money in the long run, which makes it difficult to increase your wealth. On the other hand, looking simple allows you to buy things that make your money grow. When you're obsessed with looking like you have a lot of money and spend it all on things that take money out of your pocket, you get stuck in a cycle of financial survival. You earn money, spend it on things, pay for those things, run out of money, and need to start over again. No matter how much you earn, if you follow this pattern of trying to look rich and spending all your money on things that don't make your money grow, you'll get stuck in this vicious cycle of survival, always chasing money to pay your bills. It's like you're a mouse running on a wheel, which we call the rat race. Reason 8. True wealth lies in freedom of choice. More than simply accumulating material possessions or impressing others, true wealth lies in the freedom of choice that money can provide. By adopting a simple and prudent lifestyle regarding finances, you're building a path to financial freedom. This means having the ability to choose how you want to live, work, and spend your time. Instead of being trapped in a cycle of debt and obligations, you have the freedom to make decisions that align with your values and life goals. True wealth lies in the ability to live an authentic and meaningful life, free from the financial constraints that often bind us. By prioritizing freedom of choice over ostentation, you're building a solid foundation for a truly rich life in every sense. Reason 9. Financial peace is simply better. We all wish to have nice things on some level. It's natural to desire material goods and to look rich, as it's rooted in our human nature. However, true financial peace is much more valuable than extravagant possessions. Dressing simply, driving a common car, and investing your money can bring a freedom that is worth more than all the material possessions acquired by trying to appear rich. These are the 9 reasons why looking simple is important. I hope it has been enlightening for you and that it helps you in some way in your life. If you're seeing our video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to receive our new content. Thank you very much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.